Hi everyone! Today I'll provide you with another delicious and easy-to-cook dish, and also a special dish for special days and nights. Let's dive in. Alfredo Linguine with roasted asparagus ingredients. For the pasta, 8 ounces, about 225 g, linguine pasta, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup grated, Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper, to taste, 2 cloves garlic, minced or finely chopped. For the roasted asparagus, 1 bunch fresh asparagus, about 1 pound, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper, to taste. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Roast the asparagus. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Rinse the asparagus and cut off the tough ends. Place the asparagus on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle a little salt and pepper. Roast for 15 minutes until tender and slightly golden. 2. Cook the pasta. In a large pot, boil water with a pinch of salt. Add the linguine and cook according to the package, usually 8-10 minutes. Drain the pasta and set aside. 3. Make the Alfredo sauce. In a big pan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the garlic and stir for 30 seconds until it smells nice. Pour in the cream and stir gently for about 2 minutes. Add the Parmesan cheese and keep stirring until the sauce becomes smooth. Season with a little salt and black pepper. 4. Mix it all. Add the cooked linguine to the Alfredo sauce and stir to coat it well. Slice the roasted asparagus into bite-sized pieces and gently mix into the pasta. Serve. Serve warm with a little extra Parmesan on top, and enjoy.